Hello folks, Ron Wittmeyer here. Today I want to talk about something that people ask us about all the time. And that is, how do my medical expenses get paid in my personal injury case? Alright, so now let me first set up a very simple example of a case where we make a recovery for a client of $9,000, $90,000, $900, whatever it is, but I can divide 9 by 3 very easily, so that's why I used that example. Our fee would be 1/3. As you know, we work on a 1/3 contingency fee basis in most all of our cases, and that would leave the client with what we call gross proceeds of $6,000. Now, out of the $6,000, a client is going to have to pay back any unpaid medical expenses or reimbursements to insurance companies, like a health insurance company, who has paid their medical bills that have to do with this injury case. So now let's talk about the medical bills. All right, say for instance in this case, this very simple example, the client has one medical expense, an ER bill for $5,000. Now, if the client has no health insurance, they probably cannot afford to write the hospital a check for $5,000. So the hospital is going to take a lien on their case. And when we make a recovery for the client, as we hope to, we will then negotiate with the hospital's lawyers, we'll negotiate that lien down. Let's say, for example, we negotiate that lien down to $4,000, the client would take $2,000 in their pocket. Now, let's say, for instance, the client has health insurance. Let's say it's Blue Cross. This ER bill, the client must make sure that ER bill is submitted to their health insurance company, okay? The health insurance company is going to discount that bill and pay, for example, $3,000. So the reason that's important is it gets rid of the $5,000 hospital bill, and now we're left with Blue Cross. Of course, Blue Cross wants their money back, and they probably have a right under their contract to make that recovery. It's called a claim for reimbursement, okay? So Blue Cross is going to make their claim for reimbursement. We are also going to negotiate with Blue Cross. Let's say we negotiate Blue Cross's claim down to $2,000. So the client is then left with $4,000 in their pocket. Now, here's the most important thing I want you to take out of this, and that is, if you have health insurance, and this might sound illogical, but if you have health insurance, when somebody else caused you an injury, if you have health insurance, make sure all of your bills are submitted to your own health insurance company. It will work out the best for you in the end if you do that. So you give your providers your Blue Cross card, say for example, and make sure that your bills are being submitted and paid. The other thing you can do is get onto your Blue Cross site, get a PIN number, and follow the bills along and make sure those bills are getting paid. Because when they get paid, there's a discount taken, and that discount is to your advantage. Ladies and gentlemen, hopefully this has been helpful. If it has, please like, comment, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. And until next time, stay safe and be well.